So this was my Halloween costume 2 years ago. I was a little mermaid, but sexy. And I wanted to show you guys how I made it. So maybe it'll give you some inspiration for this Halloween. And also my voice is gone right now, just in time for me to do a voiceover. So this was 2 years ago, but I just never had a chance to edit and post it for that Halloween. I had a lot of fun making this out of scratch, and I want to know what you guys are going to be for this Halloween, so comment down below. And I will link everything that I used down below in the description bar underneath my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright, so here are all of my ingredients for the costume. I ordered some stuff and then I got the rest of it downtown. So I went to Imperial Bead and Trim. That's such an amazing store. They have everything that sparkles. Got this beautiful fishnet from there, as well as this trim. They have like a gold and silver and everything else, but I went with this really pretty like iridescent color because it reminded me more of the ocean. It's got some blue undertones in there. And I got a whole bag of pearls, so I'm gonna glue them one by one. And then I spray painted the bra and the little shells this pretty golden color. Then I took some of these necklace things that I bought and I cut off the little circle part, so we just have the star for the centerpiece of the bra. Then I started gluing the little pearls to the starfish on the ends. So now it looks like this. Alright, so now I'm going to take this trim and hot glue it to the outside of the bra and go around like that. So let's try it. So I am hot gluing the trim. Okay, so I just added the trim all the way around. Now I'm going to cut off this excess and use this piece to add to here and here. So now I'm taking the pearls and I'm hot gluing them literally one by one. They're like half pearls, by the way, so they're not round. Okay, so one side is done. And now we're moving on to the second side. All right, so I've just finished the second side and now we can move on and add these pearls and add these little starfish. Now I'm taking this long string of pearls and I'm adding this little layer underneath, like a double layer. So I started in the middle, I took it up to the side and then doubled back and then went to the other side, and now I'm gonna finish it in the middle. So it's gonna be like two little loops under each side. So we've added the pearls and now I'm gonna add these little starfish. I've got 3 of them. I'm gonna cut off the little circle part. I think these are supposed to be for necklaces. I bought them for the middle part, but I'm actually gonna add 2 over here just to hide the little bit right there where I cut it. So let me glue that on. All right, so for the straps, I wanna add some coral. So this one actually looks better than this one in my opinion, but it's kind of like hard and I don't want to be scratched, so I might save this one for the tail and use this softer one on the straps. So I'm gonna cut this off and figure it out. All right, so now I took this little golden vine that I bought and I cut off 3 pieces. I'm gonna do 3 on each side to cover up the bra strap and just have a little bit of more extra because this bra is super extra, as you can see. All right, so I've cut 6 of these from this thing and it was really hard to cut because it's metal. And I'm gonna take 3 each and glue it to cover up the straps on each side. All right, so I glued 3 of these, one on top of the other, to hide the bra strap. And I'm gonna take this painted gold seashell just to hide the little bits right there because I don't want these corners just standing there like that. All right, so I just cut the rest of this into these small pieces and I'm gonna hot glue them together and then put this little star on top and put the clip to the back of it. So now I took the starfish, glued some pearls to it, glued that to 3 pieces of this golden plant and put a gold clip on the back. So yeah, so this is gonna go on my tail just to kind of tie it all together. And then I took the organza fabric, I tied it around my waist in 2 layers, so there's 2 different green colors which I loved. And then I just pinned the fishnet to it and the little starfish, and I really liked how it turned out. And then for my face I had these stickers and it's all one big piece for the forehead, so you don't have to glue them on one by one, and I did a whole tutorial for it. That's on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I put on some nude heels so that way it blends in with the legs and it doesn't stand out too much. And that's it. So I hope this inspires you for some fun Halloween looks this year. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Happy Halloween!